What's up, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, I was surfing Amazon and I found this. And this is not the only company that makes these, but this one is called Hangry Kit, and it interested me for a couple of reasons. But there are a number of places where you can just buy kits that already have food and snacks, and they can be of different flavors and varieties that you can send to kids in college, kids at school, at camp. Maybe it's just something that you need to put behind glass in your own wall at home so that you smash it with a hammer when you're watching the Lions so that you can nosh on something, right? But most of them are just cardboard boxes that come in different sizes at different levels, have candy and stuff in them. But this is the only one, Hangry Kit, and I think you can go to hangrykits.com and get them there too, that had a true-on plastic box like this with their logo on it. So I just thought that was kind of a step up. That was a kind of a leveling up the college care package type of product here. So pretty awesome. And a package like this probably doesn't cost a lot, but it is a differentiator, which is pretty cool. You can see we've got like a orange first aid logo here with a bite out of it, because this is making sure that you're not hangry. Two little latches here, and we open this one up. Now, this one is the XXL. It's the $24.95 box, I believe. I think that's what I paid for it. And they do have like a large and a small. They also have some that I think are like nuts or healthy. So this is not any of that. This is just the biggest one I could get, kind of the full-on Cadillac of the package. And on top of that, there's nothing supposed to be healthy about it, which is how I like it. So first of all, we get the pirate's booty with aged white cheddar. Gluten-free. That's too bad. I was hoping for a nice helping of gluten this morning. Goldfish, always great. Pepperidge Farm. Shout out to my buddy Ian. Hey, Rice Krispie treats. Oh, old fan favorite. It looks like we got, lots of peanut butter crackers here. So we get 4 Austin peanut butter crackers. You remember these bad boys. You can see it's all nicely tight packed in there. I don't know that I'm going to be able to get this stuff back in here. Hopefully. Oh, Mr. Peanuts. If you have peanut allergies, don't send that. Don't send this one. This will kill someone. Treetop fruit flavored snacks. I kind of remember these things. What were those called? Fun Fruits or something when I was a kid? Those are cool. We have 4 chewy granola bars. Peanut butter, chocolate chip. Lots of peanuts in this sucker. We have a Nature Valley oats and honey. I should say that this thing came shrink wrapped, so I've already taken the shrink wrap off. On the bottom, it says expiration date of like late 2019. So this stuff does have some shelf life at least. And then we have, these are 2 different things. So I'll make sure I don't mix them up together. So we have these high chews. Feel like little Jolly Ranchers or something. They feel like a little hard candy in there. Not familiar with high chew, but I'm gonna be. And then we have Laffy Taffies, 4 of these. Sour apple, ooh, that could be a fave of mine. Strawberry, banana, cherry. So we have these, and then we also have Airheads, artificial flavored candy. Not really sure what these are, but they feel like a flat taffy type of thing. You don't have to worry about it going bad. You don't have to worry about any of this stuff expiring or becoming rotten in the mail. Send it to your loved ones. Give them a little taste of home, a little comfort food, late night studying. You know how it goes, late night partying, hangovers. And now that I've all unpacked it, looks like, you know what? It looks like I can actually get it back in here without smashing everything up. I didn't do a great job. But if you are curious and want to open it up and take a peek before you send it off to your hungry person, you can. Shoot, didn't do a very good job. Anyway, check it out, $24.95, but they have other packages at different levels, and especially if you order on Amazon, you can have it shipped directly to whoever you want to receive it, so that's pretty cool. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda with my Hangry Kit.